Hey everybody, today we're going to do Kettle Brand potato chips Korean BBQ. Great taste, naturally. Obviously there's some type of traditional Korean pan or bowl or what have you, and then a pair of chopsticks. And then it says, non-GMO project verified. And then it has, once again, their declaration of using solar power instead of traditional coal power and what have you. And then it's, there's another reducing coal emissions by 85 tons. But we'll go to the nutrition facts, which are more important. And we have calories 140, calories from fat 70, total fat 8 grams, calories from fat 70 grams. Did I say that already? I'm jumping back and forth, unfortunately. Saturated fat 0.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fat 1 gram, monounsaturated fat 6 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 150 milligrams, total carbohydrates 16 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, sugars 1 gram, and protein 2 grams, and then it goes into the vitamins, the traditional vitamins, I guess. There's vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. That's pretty much what they offer in vitamins in most potato chips as far as I know. But let's see here. Anything else? Your list of ingredients, what have you. But let's get down to business and open this thing up. Once again, child-proof bag. This one's even worse. This one's even worse. Unfortunately, this is going to call for drastic measures. Give me a second. Scissors. This will teach you. Oh, the aroma flew out of the bag. Okay, it smells good. It smells like kimchi. I will let you in on a little secret. I'm half Asian. And what we're going to do right now is because I'm somewhat very, very knowledgeable about Korean food. We're going to find hopefully the best chip available, and we're going to judge it. Okay, that's the best one because no larger size popped up at the top of the bag. Alright. Very strong in its aroma. Let's give it a shot. I'm not sure, because the bag in itself literally smells like kimchi to me, but it's not supposed to be. Smells good, but the flavor, oh, there it is. There it is. It took a while. But yes, it tastes like kalbi. It definitely has the flavor of kalbi. in its mixture, which is that's awesome. Let me take a look at the ingredients real quick. Primarily, it's going to be the garlic powder and the paprika. Excuse me, and the other spices. See, I've helped make kimchi, so I don't know all the ingredients, if you will, but this is not kimchi. You know, and the marinade for kalbi, that's what it tastes like. That's what it tastes like. And I know a little bit about the creation of the kalbi sauce to barbecue with, to marinate. But this has the definite taste of kalbi. I would run out. Oh, sorry. I would run out. This is 2 thumbs up. This is 2 thumbs up. Especially with some of the things that are going on with me personally. It's low in sodium and what have you. But this is a definite 2 thumbs up, and I would recommend this for the Super Bowl party or what have you. You know, not just barbecue chips, but Korean barbecue chips. That would make the difference. If you didn't know how, or you didn't, or if you couldn't just simply make it on time because you ran out of time, you know, you run in and what have you. This, I'm gonna get another one. This would bring another dimension to basically any party that you would have. Yes, absolutely. I've got to stop eating. and that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, share with others, and I'll see you next video. Take care. Somebody help me.